Welcome to this video on vibe coding, where we'll show you how to build a fully functional web application today, even with zero coding experience. We'll cover the vibe coding mindset, choosing the right 2026 AI tools, building a real business app step by step, and understanding the realistic limits of AI. Vibe coding replaces traditional coding syntax with plain English. This term was coined by OpenAI founder Andrej Karpathy. This shift allows you to describe what you want in plain English, and the AI handles the implementation. This lets you review and iterate features in minutes instead of manually writing lines of code for weeks. In vibe coding, you are the software architect. Like an architect who doesn't swing a hammer, you don't need to write the code, but you do need to know what to ask for. The AI is your construction crew. The core concepts to understand include databases, APIs, and authentication. Choosing your AI construction crew is important. Tools vary based on web/UI focus versus logic/data focus, and beginner friendliness versus pro editor capabilities. Bolt.new, Lovable, Replit Agent, Cursor Composer, and V0 each offer unique strengths for different needs. Step 1 is to initiate the project. We'll choose Bolt.new as it offers the best balance of power and ease of use for beginners. Our goal is to build a simple client management system, or CRM Lite, from scratch without writing a single line of code by hand. Step 2 is writing the perfect prompt. A powerful prompt contains 3 elements: the feature, the data, and the design. Our 37-word prompt defines a client management web app with client lists, the ability to add new clients, a simple dashboard, and a clean design with sidebar navigation. Step 3, let the AI build. The AI simultaneously builds the front-end framework, structures the data model, and styles the interface based on the 37-word prompt. In about 60 seconds, the AI writes roughly 3,000 lines of code. Step 4 is to review the first draft. We verify that all core requirements are met. The AI successfully delivered a React front-end with sidebar navigation, a working dashboard with status counts, a functional data model, and an add client form with active validation. Step 5. Build through conversation. You don't need to get everything right in the first prompt. The AI context window remembers the codebase, allowing you to iterate by simply asking for adjustments, such as adding a search bar and a last contact date field, without breaking existing code. A key problem with rapid AI prototypes is that they use in-memory storage. This means if you refresh the page, all your client data disappears. For a real application, the solution is to connect a persistent database. Step 6. Connect a real database. We prompt the AI to connect the app to Supabase for data persistence, set up CRUD operations, and create necessary tables. Bolt generates the SQL, and we follow the instructions to link the API keys, making the data permanent. Step 7. Push to production. We simply click Deploy. The platform pushes the codebase to hosting services like Netlify. The total time from idea to a live, shareable web address is under 20 minutes. It's important to understand the honest limits of AI. Vibe coding is perfect for simple web apps, CRUD dashboards, landing pages, and prototypes. However, complex edge case logic, payment debugging, real-time sync, and security-critical systems still need a human developer. There are 5 things you can realistically build with vibe coding. These are proven product categories that non-coders are successfully launching today, including internal tools, niche SaaS, directory sites, automation dashboards, and dynamic portfolios. They rely heavily on UI and basic databases, where AI tools excel. Now it's your turn to build. Go to Bolt.new, drop your specific app idea in the video comments below, and consider subscribing for next week's video on Top 7 SaaS Ideas Non-Coders Are Building and Profiting From Right Now.